Hi everybody, my name is Dr. Asim Logani. I am a sexologist and I have got an experience of 31 years. Today I would like to discuss with you all most common myths about sexual intercourse. Sex is beautiful and essential for everybody. Everybody has her own magic myth about sex, and this start accumulating since the age of adolescent through dramatic stories and hearsay. The idea you have about sex may not be always be factual and may not be based on these misconceptions. So here are some common myths associated with sex and the truth behind them. The number one myth is, which is very common, sex is more fun when you are young. The fact is, when you are young, sex may be faster and more vigorous. Older people tend to be more active sexually. Having emotionally satisfied sex, they emphasize less on orgasms and more on emotional connection, sensuality, and creativity. The second most common myth is condom reduces the fun of sex. The fact is, the right condom which fits in the size and shape can make the activity more enjoyable for both the partners. A study shows that 68% of men are using wrong condoms. The third myth is, women can achieve orgasm only through intercourse. The fact is, study reveals that 75% of women do not achieve orgasm through vaginal intercourse. A woman achieves climax orgasm through direct clitoris stimulation, and this fact is not known by many males. The fourth myth is, women are naturally monogamous unlike men. But the fact is, the society restricts the woman's sexual attraction to only one guy in a time. However, woman has got her own fantasies, and biologically and personality wise they are equipped to have suit multiple partners. The fourth myth, very common myth, women are less interested in sex than men. Fact is, women may be disinterested in sex due to previous traumatic experience or childhood abuse. But normally a woman who is satisfied sexually tends to be more happy and loving. And this is very good for any good home. Another myth is, women are naturally monogamous unlike men. The fact is, the society restricts a woman's sexual attraction to only one guy at a time. However, women's biology and personalities are equipped to suit multiple partners. Sixth myth is, very common myth is, education is necessary for men to enjoy sex. Every man thinks that education is necessary. This is not there. The fact is, study reveals that non-ejaculatory or CABs also have their own sets of benefit, and this is very common in older age. The seventh common myth is, erection for a man is must to enjoy sexual play. But the fact is, an erection is not compulsion in case of foreplay, since arousing a woman is pleasurable in itself. The eighth and the last but not the least, this is a very common thinking about Indian males, size of the penis matters. But fact is, size of penis does not matter, because female vagina is only 3 inch of vagina is sensitized, and only male needs 3 inch of erect penis. If you want to consult me, you can consult me on Laborate through video or through text chat or through audio. I am available 24 hours on Laborate. Thank you very much.